Chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you 5 different chess tactics for intermediate players. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the chapter 1 tactics. So, chess friends and chess lovers, this is chapter 1 tactics 1. First move is white turn. How to white won the game in 2 moves only. Okay, I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Let's start with the answer. Okay, first move is knight go to d5. Okay, this knight go to d5 and fork the rook and queen. Black has two options. First one is need to move his king to here on d7, or he will cut wider pawn to the knight. Okay, I am going to tell you the answer now. First move is knight go to d5. Now black has 2 options. One is this pawn cut the knight, or need to move his queen. Okay, first one is queen go to d7. Okay, queen go to d7, then knight cross f6 and beautiful check. This particular pattern, white has so many pieces, that's why easily won the game white. Now go back again. Now knight d5 check. If cut the knight why the pawn, that's it. In one move the rook is wrapped. You can see now, if the white queen cut the pawn, in the same time there is a check and there is a wrap the rook. Okay, queen cross d5 and beautiful check. If king need to move, king go to like this, then this queen wrap the rook. That's it. That's why this game easily won the match white. Okay, we can go to the chapter 2 tactics 2. Okay, chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 2 tactics 2. First move is black chain. Black won the game in 2 moves only. How to black won the game, I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. First move is rook cross e3. Okay, you can see now this black rook cut this pawn, then this queen cut like this, then queen cross g4 and check. Okay, you can see queen cross g4 and check, cut the pawn and there is a check. In the same time he will wrap the rook. I am going to tell you again. First move is black chain, rook cross e3 and check. In this match only way white can do queen cross e3, then beautiful move make queen cross g4 and check. In the same time if the king move like this, there is a wrap the rook. That's it. This is chapter 2 tactics 2. Now we can go to the chapter 3 tactics 3. Chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 2 3 tactics 3. How to white won the game. First move is white. I am going to explain now. Okay, now rook go to e1. Okay, rook come to here and pin the queen, then queen need to cut like this, then queen cross e1 and check. That's it. We can go to the moves. First move is rook e1, and this queen cannot move anywhere because there is a pin. Okay, if king need to cut like this, then beautiful black queen cut why the white queen. That's it. That's why this game easily won white. Okay, white has so many pieces. Okay, let's go to the chapter 4 tactics 4. Okay, chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 4 tactics 4. How to white won the game in 4 moves only. First move is white chain. How to white won the game. Okay, let's go to the moves. I am going to teach you now the ideas. Okay, Now knight cross d5, white hand. Knight cut the pawn, then pawn take the pawn, then queen cross c8, this one bishop, then black the check with queen d8, then beautiful move make queen cross b7. Okay, we will see. I am going to explain and analyze the pattern. Okay, first move is knight cross d5. Then this knight, you can see this knight attack this queen. That's why black need to cut like this. Okay, now cut the knight by the phone. Then queen cross c8 and check. In this particular pattern, black need to block the check with check, block the check with his queen. Okay, now queen go to there. Then beautiful move, queen cross b7. That's it. In one move, the black lost the game. Okay, knight d7, then beautiful move make queen cross d5. That's it. Totally this game, white has so many pawn because black has only 4 pawn, white has 8 pawns. That's why easily won the game white. Okay, let's go to the chapter 5, title 5. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is chapter 5, tactic 5. First move is white hand. How to white won the game in 2 moves only. 2 different particular option, this particular chess tactics. Okay. First one, white hand. White queen cross d5. This queen got the knight. Then we will see. Wait. Queen cross d5. Okay, that's perfect. Now king need to move g8. G8. We will see why. Okay. First move is queen cross d5. Then we will see he cannot cut because you can see I am going to tell you this bishop pawn doesn't cut, because if cut like this, there is a checkmate, beautiful checkmate. Okay, understand? Yeah. Now king need to move like this, then white won the game. Okay, go back now. Now queen cross if d5. If black cut the queen by the pawn, that's it, beautiful checkmate. Now e cross d5. Then rook go to e8 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 5, tactics 5. If you are watching this channel for the first time, if you are interested in this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.